The curious task of economics is to demonstrate to men how little they really know about what they imagine they can design.
Economics is the painful elaboration of the obvious. Economics is not just about money. It's about understanding what makes people tick. The study of economics does not seem to require any specialized gifts of an unusually high order. Is it not, intellectually regarded, a very easy subject compared with the higher branches of philosophy and pure science? Yet good or even competent economists are the rarest of birds. The ideas of economists and political philosophers, both when they are right and when they are wrong, are more powerful than is commonly understood. Indeed, the world is ruled by little else.